I'm Hawa Hassan, and I'm here at the Midea Home Kitchen in NYC. The city's melting pot of food, culture, and tradition, which is why I'm excited to have partnered with Midea to cook an iconic NYC dish. Let's see what we cook up with the help of Midea. Hi everyone, I'm Hawa Hassan, and today I'm in the Midea Home Kitchen with my guest, Tayvon from NYCFC. Tayvon, this recipe is inspired by you. Can you guess what it is by looking at all the ingredients?
It's a chopped cheese.
It's a chopped cheese. When I heard I was cooking with you, I was so excited because I was like, you're homegrown, the Bronx. I've been here 18 years and I've never tried a chopped cheese.
I actually had chopped cheese 2 days ago.
Okay, so then you'll have to judge me. We're gonna get started on the recipe, but I am depending on your taste buds at the end.
Okay.
All right, let's go. So tell me more about your career.
I moved to NYCFC when I was 16.
Wow, so you really are homegrown.
Yeah, for sure.
That's incredible.
Very much homegrown.
How's it feel to be playing at the Yankee Stadium?
It feels amazing, you know, to be in front of your home crowd, playing, them cheering you on.
So do you cook a lot at home?
No.
No? Who cooks in your family?
I'd say my mom or my dad does all the cooking, really.
You know, I could tell by the way you're forming that patty, you know what's up. So Tayvon, the really cool thing about the Midea range is that it comes with a removable griddle. You could see that we're mimicking the chopped cheese the same way that they do at the bodega. Do me a favor and go flip our patties. I think they've both seared on the other side.
Okay.
There you go. Okay.
No, a little thing or two.
Okay. So we're gonna get our cheese and then we're gonna just go ahead and rest it on both of our patties and then it'll melt for us. We've made it to the best part. This is where we start to assemble our heroes. I'm gonna put some lettuce on top of mine. I'm also gonna put some tomatoes, but I do like spicy, so I'm gonna put hot sauce on.
No spicy for me. I can't do it.
You have a good program going. I just put everything everywhere. Well, we're gonna take our heroes back there. We'll put our chopped cheese on.
Okay.
And then we're gonna eat. Tayvon, I have to say, I'm proud. I cannot wait to taste it.
Me too.
All right. How did we do?
That is better than I thought. Wow.
It's so good. It was your seasoning.
This is amazing. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Tayvon, thank you so much for joining me at the Midea Home Kitchen here in New York. I got to learn so much, including how to make a chopped cheese. What do you think?
I definitely will start making chopped cheese on my own for sure instead of buying them at the deli.
I love that. Well, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.